Okay, today we're going to install the Bosch Snow Driver wiper blades. I've already installed it on the passenger side. This is a 24 inch, and this one on the driver's side is a 28 inch. You can get these at AutoZone. They're about $14 each. Right, to remove these, now these are called Tech Select blades, and you just push up on this and then slide it down, and that will remove it. When you open up the package, you'll get, of course, the wiper blades. This is an old one, but you'll get the wiper blade. You'll also get two packages and then the instructions. You won't need to use these two packages. It will slide right on. Now again, we're installing these wiper blades on a 2012 Honda Civic. These blades come with two packets, but you won't need to use those. All you need to do is open this up. So you just squeeze that and open it up. Again, you just open this up, and then you're going to slide this onto the loop. And then you go ahead, and once you get it slid, you'll hear it click, then push this down, and you've got them installed. And there you have it. Now we're going to just demonstrate how the wipers work. You can see they're doing a good job. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.